Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We put y square go to the left, ds and e to the power of s plus e to the power of negative s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one. So I will multiply by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. So e to the power of s multiplied by e to the power of s and e to the power of negative s. And you got about e to the power of 2s plus 1. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about the u equals to e to the power of s ds. This one we change by u and you got about u square. This one we change by the u. The integration of this one you got about arctan of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about e to the power of s. And we put about c in here. So, the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, you got about negative 1 over y. So, I will put this one go to the left while we put on the right. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.